Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care. Mina Kitano. Code HMN 372. Released on May 16, 2023. And it has 120 minutes watch time. The story is about married woman played a guitar on a train. The girl was happily married. One day, the girl was going to her husband's workplace. She ride a train. However, someone played guitar on her on a train. Apparently, the guy was her husband co-worker. And the wonderful story began. Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.